In today's competitive world, the one thing that can help you stand out is a skill like Rajveer Gore.
One day, after completing my graduation, I was walking down the street when I noticed a Kohinoor Technical Institute poster on the road. I paused for a moment, thinking about the poster. Should I go for an inquiry? I wondered. After some thought, I made decision. I would visit Kohinoor Technical Institute to learn more about their courses. At KTI, I met the manager and excitedly asked about the available courses. The manager explained the various courses offered by KTI, helping me to understand his options. He also shared KTI's unique teaching approach, 70% practical training and 30% theoretical learning. The manager then guided me through the admission process and its requirements. Inspired by the opportunities, I decided to enroll in the 3D animation course. My lecture began, and I started learning new skills regularly. After 1 year of dedication and hard work, I successfully completed my course. I proudly received my certification, making a new milestone in my journey. A few days later, KTI informed me about a job interview. I attended the interview and cleared it successfully and secured a job in my field. After 5 years later, I become professional animator. I have shown the journey of my creative director with the help of a graph. Now it's your turn. Gain a skill with Kohinoor Technical Institute and shape your future like me. Choose KTI. Choose success.